morning, everyone. Let me open this door. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Oh, so this is how it all looks like. I couldn't see anything last night because it was too dark. Beautiful. And that breakfast place is over there, Boathouse Tavern. Okay, I'm just gonna make my way down these stairs to that breakfast place. Very quiet this morning. Okay, walking along this. Oh, beautiful weather. Look at that. Blue skies. And then this path will take me all the way to that place for breakfast. And looking this way, you can see that beautiful marina over there, where the residents park their boats and yachts over there. And over this side, that is my room. That's the one on the second floor. And then they have this beautiful view of this little pond. And that's the Boathouse Tavern, the breakfast place. I see a nice little pool over here with a nice interesting water slide. I think kids will like this place a lot. Looks fun. And then you can get some towels while you're here as well, just beside the pool. Okay, walking up the stairs to the restaurant. I see a very big spread of food up there. I will show you in a while. The restaurant feels quite pretty quiet now. It's about 9 a.m. now, so very quiet. Oh, look at this beautiful view. Very calm and peaceful. Okay, so let me show you the foods here. We have the bread and the jams and spreads, etc. Toast, nice toaster here. Some pastries there, and I see some samosa, spring rolls, and then the fruits. Very comprehensive. Over here you have the breakfast cereals. My favorite cornflakes is there. Nasi lemak over here. And nasi lemak rice inside there, nice and warm. And this is the, let me see what's this. Oh, fried kway teow. Nice, smoking hot. And this one should be rendang. Could only be either chicken or beef, not sure. And then you have the potato, mashed potato, and the sauce. I wonder what's this. Some sausages, which is finishing, and baked beans over there. Okay, good. This is what I got. So I got some of the fried kway teow, some mashed potatoes, the rendang, and then the sausages, and etc. Assortment of stuff. Okay, my favorite cornflakes over here, and the all-important piping hot coffee. And just to keep it healthy, some salads and omelette. Nice and warm. Look at that. What a beautiful breakfast. Yum yum. And then you get to have it to this beautiful, quiet and peaceful scenery here. Look at that. Wow. Okay, the coffee was so good. I'm going to make myself another cup. Okay, let's choose this machine this time. Maybe it tastes better. Maybe. Okay, let's get it started. Oh, I can smell it already. Okay, it takes a while. Good things, you have to wait. Patience is a virtue. Okay, here we go. Slowly dripping away. Oh, the smell is really... If only you can smell it. Like how I'm smelling it now. Oh, wow. Okay, done. And second round, just gonna have some toast. Finish off with some fruits. Round 2. Hey, this beautiful piping hot coffee.
Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas, no me dejas quieta. Soy tu bebecita, te espero ya mis páginas donde no están escritas, porque los dos juntos podamos pintar donde vamos a estar y nos va a encantar. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Eres mis ganas de no estar con nadie más. Me pongo roja si preguntas cómo estás. Es que tus besos me saben a miel y toca tu pie también. Al corazón directo llegarás. Te quiero más de lo que quiero. Al final tengo un caballero. En mi vida no habían sido tan sinceros. Eres mi bandolero. Por ti mi corazón palpita. Siempre he sido tu chiquita. ¿Cuántos te amos van ahorita? Yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad. Es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amante.
Alright dear friends, that's my little video on SEBANA Cove. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making this video. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.